Hey guys, I got another stocks walk video here, but before we get started, if you appreciate what I'm doing, hit that like button and subscribe, and you can go over to Twitter at WTrades, it's DUBYA Trades, and catch up with us there. I post charts and news, and every time we go live or have a new video up, it'll be on there. Now with that being said, let's get started. So I want to start out by taking a look at the chart here. You can see we was in this downtrend right here, and then all of a sudden it bounced. If we look at the day chart, I'd said last time Sunday on our stocks talk that if it didn't hit this 200 and bounce, we could see it go down to 1122 mark. Well, I think that it has officially bounced. If we go back over to the 15-minute here, or sorry, the 4-hour, we can see that we do have higher lows and we have bullish divergence in the RSI. We can see that in the MACD line has crossed the signal line and starting to separate with green candles. It can only get more bullish if it goes up over that center line. Now, why is it trading like this? If we come over here, I've got some news I can show you. So the first thing is there was quite a few news stories that's come out over the weekend and today. One is Ford has begun to start delivering the Mustang Mach-E. This is their electric Mustang. It was wondered when they was going to start making deliveries on them, and they have done it. It's official now. Some other good news is Ford doubles production target for electric F-150s. This was the one that Biden went and drove that shot up the stock a little while back and got people really excited about the stock. Another reason is the stock just got cheap enough to where people said, that's a good deal, I'm going to buy in. Most analysts have it as a buy or strong buy. And if you look right here, we see which one's better to show you on. I think it's this one. We have call alert, call sweeps, call sweeps, call sweeps. People are starting to get bullish about this stock. If we go back to Webull and we look at the calls that I bought the $14 calls on the 17th. And there's a couple of reasons. When I ran it through the options calculator, it offered a decent return for the option I was buying. And look at this volume on the 14. The open interest volume is 124,000. If something goes south of this stock, I'm not going to have a bit of trouble getting rid of it. But with that much volume in it, that means that big money is involved. And we can see that we had several block trades on it. We had two 500,000 or more block trades, and then 15 minutes later had a million share block trade again. Sorry, it was $1 million block trade. So that's $2 million right there, right back to back on Friday, and then today we had another block buy. Guys, people are starting to get bullish on it. It's starting to turn. Right here, we can see that it is up over the 50-day EMA line, and it just had come up over the 200, come down, and I guess you could call that a retest. I'd really like to see a better bounce of it to call it a retest. But guys, it's you can't get no more signals than that. You know what I'm saying? This is about as good as it gets on a reverse, unless you want to catch it after it's already reversed. To me, that's good enough to call that a bounce. It's retested. You have higher lows. You have the RSI going up. You have the MACD being bullish. Check, 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 check. Alright guys, I just wanted to throw it out there to you, that you have a chance to look at it and see what you think. Hit that like button, subscribe button, check us out on Twitter. You have a good day.